welcome back to my channel. I know I haven't been uploading in a while, but it's fine. I'm going to be uploading every Sunday from now on. Yay! Okay, back to the video. Some people are like, dude, I don't have any dresses for my dolls. What are they gonna wear? I know, right? The dresses that come from my dolls are too weak. They're so delicate. They tear instantly. I know, right? I hate those. For those people, I'm here. So, yeah. I'm going to teach you how to make a doll for your dress. A dress for your doll. We are not making dolls here. We're not that advanced. But it's fine. We're making a cute dress for your cute doll. So of course we're gonna need a doll. I'm using Elsa, and if you're wondering, yes, I made this dress on my own. Pretty cute. Still some loose edges, but it's fine. And you're gonna need a pair of scissors. Careful, they're sharp. You're gonna need some fabric glue for those non-sewers out there. If you don't know how to sew stuff, you could just do all the steps I'm telling, but instead of gluing it, sew it. And of course, you're gonna need fabric. So you're gonna cut the fabric into a circle-ish shape. So it doesn't need to be perfect, and like there's like a half circle or a quarter half circle, I have no idea. There's a circle, and in one end it's just flat, or a really like weird flat. Now what you're gonna do is take the flat and glue, take that flat thing anyways, take that flat thing, put some glue on it just like me, and then fold it. Now you fold it in half, get some things like that, and now you open it again, and you can see this half. So you're gonna just put some glue on top of there, on one end of the half, and then just do it again. Press it a little bit harder, and there you go. You get these weird, funky triangles. Make a bunch of these, and I mean a bunch. Okay, I lost one. Okay, there we go. I found it again. And now you take a rectangle and then put it across your doll to see if it's like it fits your doll. For me, it fits. And also, if you want, you can sew on some Velcro like I did. It's really weird because I don't know how to sew stuff, but it's fine. Totally fine. Now we'll take off our jacket. Put on the Velcro top. And I'm making this no sleeves, but if you want, you can make it, you can put some sleeves on it. And I'll tell you in the next video how to make a sleeve dress. Probably, hopefully. And there you go. You have a perfect tight fit. Take off your pump. And now, as you just take one side of the triangle and put a dot of glue on it. And now what you're gonna do is a pretty simple part. Just start gluing all of the triangles you have like this on your doll. It fell off. I'm reminding you, it needs to take time to set because this is glue. You're not sewing it, so yeah, it's gonna take a while to set. And I'll meet you after I'm done. Okay guys, I am back, and this is how it looks like. I made some more weird triangle shapes, and I added a bit more so it like gets that texture. And the last and final step, cut a line, strip, piece, whatever you want to call it, and put some glue. I know, you're gluing too much, but it's fine, it's fine. Okay, so now you can see those tips, the triangles, the top of the triangles. You're just gonna like cover them up with this. Okay, and there we go. Boom. It's done. And you're done. There you go. And this is how you make your cute dress. And if you want, you can make it out of different materials, throw in a belt, throw in some gems, and make it a bit longer. Creativity is endless. And instead of Velcro, I put on like a hooks, something. You cannot see it now, but get your hair out of the way, Anna. There you go. There it is. The hooks. Now, just put the hooks on that, and there you go. But so far, it looks pretty cute, even without those gem stuff. Anyways, guys, hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, smash that like button. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you all next Sunday. Bye!